ALIT is just around the corner, and BYJU'S exam prep knows how important it is for you. We are now with you every step of the way. Even on the D-Day, catch us live on 11th of December 2022, where we will provide you detailed ALIT analysis, expected cutoffs, paper pattern, and much more. So why wait? Join us live on 11th of December 2022. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams. So as you can see, we are running a series at 11 a.m. in the morning. And that is what we call it as top 100 one-liner current affairs from the Hindu newspaper, last 6 months revision. So here I am giving you questions. You have to read the questions and answer it. And then I am doing some sort of discussion as well. So it is both a theory as well as question answer session. So this is the part 3. If you have not watched part 1 and part 2, please go and watch on the same YouTube channel. It is available there. Go and watch it. That will be very, very beneficial for you. Okay. Yes. Before moving on, just write in comments whether I am audible or not. Am I audible, guys? Yes. So yes, if you are preparing for CLAT or ALIT this year for 2023, this is a test series. 45 plus marks will be there. 20 CLAT, 25 non-CLAT mock test, 9,000 plus practice questions, and detailed mock analysis would be provided. Video solutions would be there, and test series has been curated by NLU alumni based on actual exam pattern. So download the BYJU'S exam prep app, go to talk to counselor, and there you will get the you can get to know more about this test series. Okay, yes. Am I audible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Am I audible? Yes. Okay, people have written yes, sir. Okay, so let's start with the questions, and these are very important questions, and I hope you are aware Queen Elizabeth II was recently in news. She died recently. I hope you all are aware of that. So Queen Elizabeth II, who was the Queen of United Kingdom, was succeeded by her eldest son, whose name is George VI, Charles II, Charles III, Windsor. What is the name of the successor? So yes, I think majority of you are right. C is the right answer. Asmita, Piyush, Bhavesh, Abhishek, Sania Ansari, Aksa, Vishnu, Riva, Natasha, Abhishek, you all are right. Yes. So Queen Elizabeth died recently and she has been succeeded by her eldest son, Charles III. Okay. So whenever you find similar examples, similar options, try to find the answers there, because chances of being right is higher in similar options. So these two are similar, so most likely the answer would be here. So here the right answer is option C is the right answer to this question. Okay, so you can see it here, Charles III, he is the head of the Commonwealth, king of United Kingdom and other Commonwealth realms. So just have an idea about him. Okay, so okay, now, and he took the reign on 8th September 2022 this year, hardly 2-3 months back. So let's move on to another question. This is also related with Queen Elizabeth II. So this is in front of you. नहीं अनामिका, पूरा हिस्ट्री नहीं याद करना, बट रीसेंट हिस्ट्री पता होना चाहिए. Queen Elizabeth II got married to Dash in the year 1947 and her husband died in Dash. Yes, I think majority of you have answered B. Yes, good. Suleiman, Rati, Riva, Sakshi, Asmita, Samir, Preeti, Suti, Mishra, Bhavesh, you all are right. So Queen Elizabeth II, actually she died recently, and she actually got married to Prince Philip. So Prince Philip. So please remember it. In the year 1947, you can remember, they may ask this year. ये सवाल पूछ सकते हैं कि कौन से साल. So this is the year in which we got independence. ठीक है? So it is easy for you to remember. 1947 is the year when they got married, and her husband died last year. Yes. In 2021, her husband died in April, I think. Yes. So B is the right answer to this question. So Queen Elizabeth II के उनका डेथ हुआ भी कुछ दिन पहले, और पिछले साल उनके हस्बैंड का डेथ हुआ था, दोनों की शादी हुई थी 1947 के साल में, ठीक है। So just remember it. You can see this is a BBC News article. Prince Philip has died aged 99, Buckingham Palace announces. आप देख सकते हो 99 साल की उम्र में इनकी डेथ हुई थी लास्ट ईयर 9 अप्रैल 2021 की ये न्यूज है फ्रॉम BBC. Okay, so just have an idea about this. Now, there's a homework. Go and read something more about Queen Elizabeth II. थोड़ा सा और आप जाकर के इसको पढ़ो. Read more. This is a homework. ठीक है. So go and read about it. Go and read about Commonwealth of Nations also. Commonwealth of Nations, because recently Commonwealth Games also happened. So Commonwealth of Nations के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा आप जाके पढ़ो. It's a homework for you. Okay? हाँ. Yes. Okay. The next is this question. Which of the following is correct about Twitter? So these are your options. So this is a question on Twitter. I hope you are aware recently Twitter was in the news. जैसा कि आपको पता है Twitter काफी ज्यादा न्यूज में था recently. So that is why I am asking this question. So read the question carefully. जब भी आपको क्वेश्चन दिया जाए तो आप ये पढ़ो whether it is written correct or incorrect. तो आप इसको पढ़ो. It is written correct? Yes. So whenever question is given, read it carefully and then answer it. कुछ लोग D बता रहे हैं, कुछ लोग E बता रहे हैं. Devadita is saying 44 billion. Yes, Prapti. Yes, very good. Alefia, Hariom. Yes. So some people are saying E, कुछ लोग C भी बता रहे हैं, कुछ लोग D भी बता रहे हैं. Now let's talk about Twitter because Twitter is important. Yes, million नहीं billion है. Yes, Aditi Singh, very good. Sakshi, Riya Verma, you all right. Shubham Raj, yes. It was created by Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Biz Stone, Evan Williams. Yes, it is correct. ठीक है. So इन चारों के द्वारा ट्विटर बनाया गया था. So this is a correct statement. Recently Elon Musk has bought it at $44 million. बस यहीं पर खेला गया है. So this is $44 billion. You have to be very careful. So this is a wrong statement. Okay, the CEO of Twitter was Parag Agarwal. He was fired, मतलब he was removed from the you can say CEO post. And Elon Musk himself became the CEO of Twitter. Yes, correct. So if you go and see, अगर आप जाके देखोगे एलॉन मस्क, अगर आप उनकी विकिपीडिया पेज कहीं पढ़ोगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. यस, एलॉन मस्क इज द सीईओ ऑफ ट्विटर. ओके, so just be aware of it. So this is a wrong statement, B is the wrong statement, A and C is correct. So basically the right answer to this question is option E. Okay, now I want one more question from you. Yes, before Parag Agarwal, he was appointed the CEO of Twitter in last year. Okay, last year. And before him, who was the CEO of Twitter? Can anyone tell me? Someone has answered me in the live chat also before being asked this question. Parag Agarwal को लास्ट ईयर सीईओ बनाया गया था ट्विटर का. आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर सितंबर अक्टूबर के आसपास न्यूज में थे. उनसे पहले कौन सीईओ थे ट्विटर के? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? एनीवन? यस, वेरी गुड. शिव जानी, लक्ष्मी, अनामिका, मेज, रिया वर्मा, श्रेया, यू ऑल आर राइट. In fact, before answering it, one person has also answered me. Yes, Aman Shukla actually answered it before my question. So before him, actually, Jack Dorsey was the CEO. For many years, Jack Dorsey was the CEO. Then last year, Parag Agarwal was appointed the CEO. And this year, he was fired because Elon Musk bought the Twitter and he himself became the CEO of Twitter. तो थोड़ा सा आपको हिस्ट्री पता होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ट्विटर वगैरह न्यूज पर है, न्यूज में, तो आपसे ये सवाल पूछे जा सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो यू मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ इट. ओके, सो यू मस्ट बी अवेयर हाउ एलॉन मस्क फंडेड $44 बिलियन ट्विटर डील. सो मैंने बताया, बस यही मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूं कि इट इज नॉट मिलियन, इट इज बिलियन. सो बी इज रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट, ए एंड सी इज राइट. ओके, okay, so just have an idea about it. Now there's one more question based on the topic of Twitter. So this is in front of you. So read the question carefully. So these are A, B, C, D, E options. So again, the question is associated with Twitter. I am expecting you to read something about Twitter because it was in the news. So they can ask questions from there. ठीक है? Everyone, please press the like button. We are seeing 41 likes, 132 is watching. तो सब कोई like button press कर दो. Everyone, फटाफट सब कोई like button press कर दो. Yes, कुछ लोग E बता रहे हैं, कुछ लोग D बता रहे हैं. Headquarter is San Francisco. Yes, Vinayak Joshi, very good. Anyone else? Yes, Sakshi, good, good, very good. So, Arya Tingiri, Shubham, you all are right. Anisha Das, yes, good. Manu Chaudhary, Shamista, you all are right. I am expecting this. Whenever you are answering the question, you should explain the reason why you are answering that. आप उसका explanation भी थोड़ा सा बताओ ताकि हम समझे कि आप तुक्का नहीं मार रहे हो, है ना? So that is what I expect. Yes, Anushka Singh, yes, it is in California. So it is actually, it was founded in 2006. Yes, किसने found किया था? So these 4 people actually, yes, in 2006 they founded. ठीक है? Then it is headquartered in New York. No, wrong statement. It is headquartered in San Francisco. Okay. Vine and Periscope were the services that were earlier provided by Twitter, but now it is no more. So yes, it is correct. So A and C are right. So the right answer is option E. Okay. So E is the right answer to this statement. So please remember it. अगर आप उनके Wikipedia page पढ़ोगे, so you will get to know March 2006, 16 years ago in San Francisco. ठीक है. And these are the 4 founders: Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Biz Stone, Evan Williams. So Jack Dorsey was the CEO of Twitter. Then last year, he was replaced by Mr. Parag Agarwal. So Mr. Parag Agarwal became the CEO last year in 2021. And this year he was fired, and now we are having Elon Musk as the CEO of Twitter. Okay, so this year. Okay, is it clear? Take Elon Musk is the CEO. Yeah, likha na, CEO and president is Elon Musk. So that is why you must be knowing it. Earlier services were, है ना? So Twitter is there. Vine and Periscope were earlier services. तो थोड़ा सा इसको आप पढ़ लेना. Read little bit about Vine, Vine, what was the service, and Periscope. These two have been discontinued. It was also part of Twitter. ठीक है? तो इसको थोड़ा सा पढ़ना कि क्या था वो. Now, where exactly is San Francisco? Let me show you. And if you see it carefully, here is India. Okay, this is USA. You will find. ठीक है? So now in USA, this is United States of America. देखो, here is New York. यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, this is New York. फिर यहीं पे आपको मिलेगा Washington DC, somewhere here, capital of USA, है ना? Then here is a province. This province, entire province is called as California. इस province को हम लोग कहते हैं California. Okay? And in California, this is a city. ये वाला देख रहे हो, this is San Francisco. San Francisco. And in the same province, there is also a city called as Los Angeles, which is famous for Hollywood. आपने Los Angeles का नाम सुना होगा? Yes or no? Yes. Now there's a homework. I'm expecting you all to answer it. San Francisco is famous for a conference. इसको हम कहते हैं San Francisco Conference. So San Francisco Conference is related with which of the following, which famous, actually this conference resulted into the formation of a very famous international body. What is that called? कोई बता सकता है कि सैन फ्रांसिस्को कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ था जिससे के रिजल्ट में एक बहुत फेमस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनी, उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम क्या है? Can anyone tell me? I'm waiting for your answers. So San Francisco Conference, I'm giving you a hint. It happened in 1945 and it resulted into the formation of a very famous body called as United Nations. These are very important topics. So you must be knowing about United Nations. Yes, very good. Bhavesh, Ashi, Natasha, you all are right. United Nations बना था San Francisco Conference के result में. You must be aware of it. ठीक है? And the headquarter of United Nations you will find in New York. ठीक है? आपको United Nations का जो main headquarter है आपको न्यूयॉर्क में मिलेगा. So you must be aware of it. Okay? Yes. नहीं, नाटो कुछ बच्चे लिख रहे हैं, वो वॉशिंगटन ट्रीटी था, वॉशिंगटन कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ था. ठीक है? ये वॉशिंगटन ट्रीटी you can say that resulted into formation of NATO. But here we are asking San Francisco Conference, it resulted into formation of United Nations. ठीक है? Yes, yes, Manu Chaudhary, right. Good, very good. हाँ. So ये सब बेसिक चीजें हैं, बेसिक हिस्ट्री. They can ask these types of questions. So United Nations तो always important होता है. So इसमें important होना या ना होना ही कोई बात नहीं. UN is always important. Whether it is in the news or not, it is always important for your GK and current affairs. Yes. Okay. So before moving on, there's a small announcement. We are running a 7-day Maha revision series. Revision ka extra dose. Please subscribe to our channel for that. whenever we are putting a video, you will get the notification. Press the bell icon, and everyone please press the like button also. We are seeing 143 watching, 62 likes. सबको like button press कर दो. Now it's now or never most expected question series to ace CLAT A-Level 2023. Join us on 5th December onwards at 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. So these are the series we are running at 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. So do join it, and subscribe to our channel also. Yes, let's move on to the next question. The next question is in front of you, and it says, which of the following is correct about Israel? So these are your options: A, B, C, D, and E. So these are your options. ठीक है? Yes. आपको ये बताना है. So recently, actually, in the last 1 year, it was very much in the news. Israel remains in news. So you have to tell me what is correct. कुछ लोग C बता रहे हैं, कुछ लोग E बता रहे हैं. So whatever you are answering it, please explain the reasons. जैसे कोई बंदा E बता रहा है, इसका मतलब वो बता रहा है कि A गलत है, तो क्यों A गलत है? PM बेंजामिन नेतन्याहू. वेरी गुड हरिओम अवध, वेरी गुड. हाँ, और लोग यस 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 अलेफियर शमिस्था विनायक. करेक्ट करेक्ट. करंट पीएम ऑफ इजराइल. नहीं, करंट पीएम तो यार लैपिड हैं. नफ्ताली बेनेट की जगह बेंजामिन नेतन्याहू बन जाएंगे, है ना. So the current PM of Israel is Yair Lapid, and he will most likely be succeeded by not Naftali Bennett, Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu. Okay, so A is wrong statement. Water body west to Israel is called as Mediterranean Sea, right? The capital of Israel, although not acknowledged by everyone, but generally speaking at the world level, whenever the GK questions come, we say that Jerusalem is the capital. So B and C is right. So E is the right statement to this question. ठीक है? So आप देख सकते हो, Netanyahu set to return to power in Israel after PM concedes. So Israeli PM Yair Lapid congratulates Benjamin Netanyahu. So अभी तक वो oath नहीं लिए. So right now the prime minister is Yair Lapid himself. But once most likely Benjamin Netanyahu will take the charge of prime ministership. Now the body west to Israel is called as Mediterranean Sea. ये बता देते हैं. Yes, I think the capital is Tel Aviv. देखो, someone is saying Tel Aviv. देखो, actually क्या है? By default, they declare themselves as Israel, Jerusalem to be the capital. Although many countries do not recognize it. ठीक है? But whenever it comes in the exam, अगर question लिखा है तो Jerusalem पर option मारना. ठीक है? So because that is what it is. ठीक है? Now, so here is India. ठीक है? And you are seeing it. This is Israel. This है ना? So this one is Israel. So the body west to it, this is Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. ठीक है? और this is Red Sea. So यहाँ पे भी नीचे में भी टच करता है पानी थोड़ा सा. ठीक है? So just have an idea. So here is Jerusalem, which is considered as their capital. Although it is slightly controversial, many countries do not believe. So they have in Tel Aviv, यहाँ पे Tel Aviv जगह है, as their they have their embassy. Many of the countries' embassies in Tel Aviv. But by default, they believe that Jerusalem is their capital, although not recognized by every country. That's true. But जब भी अगर एग्जाम में आएगा, so if option is Tel Aviv and Jerusalem both, so mark Jerusalem. ठीक है? So just have an idea. तो ये वाला गलत था, ये वाला दोनों सही है ना? So the right answer is E is the right answer. Okay? हाँ. So let's move on further. It remains in news. देखो ये this is the flag of Israel, है ना? Now the next one is in front of you, this question. So which of the following is correct? You should be knowing about it. नहीं, देखो अनामिका, बहुत डिटेल नहीं जाना है, बट एक जस्ट हैव अ बेसिक आइडिया होना चाहिए कि कौन सी लोकेशन कहां पर है. कभी कभी ज्योग्राफी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन लास्ट ईयर आया था, जैसे INSTC जो पूछा था. ठीक है? वो ज्योग्राफी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन था, चाबहार पोर्ट एंड ऑल. तो इफ यू नो द ज्योग्राफी, यू कैन आंसर इट वेरी इजीली. सेंट्रल एशिया. ठीक है? सो यू नो दीज टर्म्स. ठीक है? यू शुड बी नोइंग इट. पीपल आर सेइंग डी, कुछ लोग ई बता रहे हैं. So those who are saying D, they are saying all of the above. So those who are saying E, जो लोग E बता रहे हैं, please answer why option C is wrong. What's wrong with option E? क्या गलत है इसमें? What's wrong with option E? E कुछ लोग D बता रहे हैं. So there is a confusion between D and E. तो जो लोग D बोल रहे हैं वो ये कह रहे हैं कि सारा सही है. जो लोग E बोल रहे हैं वो कह रहे हैं कि C गलत है. So why is C wrong according to those who are answering E? Every 4 years. अच्छा. So yes, the 53rd International Film Festival of India happened in Goa recently. Yes, that is correct. IFFI कहते हैं short में. Yes. The festival is conducted jointly by National Film Development Corporation of India under Ministry of Information Broadcasting and State Government of Goa. That is also correct. ठीक है. It is organized once in a 5-year, no, annually. हर साल होता है. Okay. So this is a wrong statement. So the right answer to this question is option E. ठीक है. हाँ, once in a year. Yes, Bhavesh Mishra, right? Shamista Kashyap. हर साल होता है ये annually. So this is the screenshot from there. 53rd International Film Festival of India happened in Goa. It happens in Goa. ठीक है. So these are the Ministry of Information Broadcasting and all. So can anyone tell me who is the Minister of Information and Broadcasting? Who is the minister? Anyone? Who is the Minister of I&B, Information and Broadcasting? ये पता होना चाहिए. Yes. So the answer is Mr. Anurag Thakur. Yes. Yes. Arya, yes, right. Riya Verma, you are right. Mr. Anurag Thakur, Sharmista, Sayyed Wali, Hariom, Debadrita, Aman, you are right. Huh. So this is, you can see from their Wikipedia page, founded in 1952, is one of the most significant film festival held annually. And it is written every year. Currently in the state of Goa, इस साल गोवा में हुआ. And film festival is conducted by National Film Development Corporation of India under Ministry of Information Broadcasting and State Government. So I took the statement from here. Okay, yes, just have an idea about this. Okay, it's not Ashwani Vaishnav. Someone is writing Ashwani Vaishnav. Haan, IT Minister Ashwani Vaishnav. ठीक, correct. Now this is another question related with the same topic. X who served as, please read it and answer it. ठीक है. So this actually happened recently. I think 15-20 days back it was very much in the news. 15-20 दिन पहले की बात है, I guess, है ना? So it was in the news. They can give questions from here. Yes. So you should answer. You should know the name of the person who said this, and he was actually invited from Israel. Yes. And he, according to him, he was the chairperson of IFFI International Jury, and he termed the Kashmir files as vulgar and propaganda, according to him. So who was the person? Yes, majority are saying B. कुछ लोग C भी बता रहे हैं. नहीं, but B is the right answer. ठीक है? Yes, yes. Siddharth, Abhishek, Shubham, Sakshi, Riya Verma, Siddharth, Anish. Yes, you all are right. Nadav Lapid. ठीक है? So Yair Lapid is the PM, current PM of Israel. Before him, the PM was Naftali Bennett. Last year, he was made PM. Last year, PM made. So this year, he was replaced by Yair Lapid. And now Yair Lapid will have to leave the post, and now Benjamin Netanyahu will be there. Okay, Salman Rushdie is a writer from USA. Indian origin. Hai na? So the right answer is option B. Mr. Nadav Lapid, actually, he served as the chairperson of IFFI's international jury. Wahi, same IFFI, ye wala. ठीक है? So he was invited as the chief guest, or you can say international jury chairperson, and he called it as this about Kashmir files and all. तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए. Just have an idea about his name. So does not have any contradiction and complexity. Nadav Lapid, IFFI jury head, says. So he is IFFI jury head, Nadav Lapid. So just remember his name. It might be asked in exam. Who is Salman Rushdie? Yes, Satanic Verses author, right? Huh? Satanic Verse. There are a lot of books he has written, but Satanic Verses actually became little controversial and all. So he's an author. Yes. नहीं, सारे जूरी मेंबर नहीं याद रखने, बस चेयरमैन हेड का नाम याद रखना है, because he was in the news. No need to remember all the jury members. It is not possible. But since he was in the news, because of that, that is why you should be knowing it. His name. ठीक है? So 3 IFFI jurors back Israel filmmakers. तो बाकी 3 जो उनके साथ है, they supported, but no need to remember all the other. ठीक है? सिर्फ इनका नाम याद रखना. His name is Nadav Lapid. So just remember his name. Okay? So if you have time, please go and read something about Nadav Lapid. थोड़ा सा पढ़ लीजिएगा. Maybe they can give. कि he's from which country? So Israel, filmmaker है, क्या है? Any of his important works they might ask in exam. So go and read something about Nadav Lapid. थोड़ा सा आपको अपने से पढ़ना है, ठीक है? Okay, the next one is here in front of you. This is also little important. Yes, that is why I'm giving you. According to the United Nations, world population reached dash billion in the month of dash 2022. What do you mean? What is the answer? Yes, yes, very good. Almost all the people are right. Yes, good, good. सारे लोग सही है. So basically, world population actually reached 8 billion population. So 8 billion population world की population हो गई है. और ये 15 नवंबर 15th नवंबर 2022 को this was actually this was in the news, है ना? So India world's population became 8 billion. Yes, this is from United Nations website, Department of Economic and Social Affairs. World population to reach 8 billion on 15 November. In fact, to reach क्या reach कर भी गई थी, ठीक है? So that is the right answer, ठीक है? So B is the right answer. And India is projected to surpass China in next year. ये भी पूछ सकते हैं year. According to World Prospectus Report, World Population Prospect Report, in which year India will surpass China? So you have to tell the answer is 2023. Yes, okay, so you should have idea about it. Okay, yes. Now let's move on. Before moving on, guys, everyone please press the like button. We are seeing 89 likes, 151 is watching. सबको like button press कर दो. So ALET is on 11th December, and I hope you are aware of this. So after the exam is over at 1:30 p.m., we'll be coming up with detailed analysis of ALET 2023, section-wise analysis, expected cutoff, memory-based question, good attempts, etc. We'll be coming to that. So you can watch this session. Subscribe to our channel for that. Our CLAT 2023 is going to happen on 18th December. I hope you are aware of this. And once your exam is over, we'll be coming up with detailed analysis of that. So section-wise analysis, expected cutoff, memory-based questions, good attempts. We'll be discussing these things. So do subscribe to our channel. And please come after the exam is over. Please do watch it. That will be very beneficial for you. Okay, let's move on to this one. Actually, science से भी question आया है. अगर आप देखे होगे question, if you have seen the question of CLAT this year, I mean 2022, they asked from science, space research से question आया था. You remember that? ISRO and all space research. So actually, James Webb telescope was very much in the news. ठीक है? And that is why you must be aware of James Webb telescope. ठीक है? हाँ 18 को ही शाम में हो जाएगा अनामिका, एग्जाम खत्म होने के बाद. हाँ कुछ लोग डी बता रहे हैं, कुछ लोग ई बता रहे हैं. अच्छा, जो लोग ई बता रहे हैं वो बताएं. प्लीज टेल मी व्हाई ऑप्शन सी इज रॉन्ग. व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद इट? कुछ लोग सी बता रहे हैं. Kennedy से लॉन्च हुआ, लॉन्च बाय नासा. हाँ तो ई डी लॉन्च फ्रॉम कैनेडी स्पेस सेंटर. श्योर. देखो यही पूछा जाता है, जैसे अभी रिसेंटली पूछा गया था इस साल क्लैट में. तो क्वेश्चन वाज एप्पल वाज लॉन्च फ्रॉम वेयर? सो द आंसर वाज फ्रेंच गुयाना, राइट? ठीक है. सो दे कैन आस्क दीस टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन. James Webb telescope was launched last year. Yes, December 2021 it was launched, and it was in news even this year also. इस साल भी ये न्यूज में था. ठीक है. It was launched from Ariane 5 rocket from Kourou, French Guiana. That is also correct statement. Not from Kennedy Space Center, Florida, but from Ariane 5 rocket, which is actually the rocket launched from Kourou in French Guiana. It is better. Yes, it is an advanced version, or it is considered as the successor of Hubble telescope. ये वर्ड लिख रहा है, उन्होंने लिखा है नासा वालों ने, सक्सेसर ऑफ हबल टेलीस्कोप, है ना. सो जेम्स वेब टेलीस्कोप इज द सक्सेसर ऑफ हबल टेलीस्कोप. ठीक है. सो ऑल आर करेक्ट. सो डी इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग इट. इट इज नॉट फ्रॉम फ्लोरिडा. इट वाज नॉट लॉन्च फ्रॉम फ्लोरिडा बट फ्रॉम फ्रेंच गुयाना. देखो ये है, दिस इज द सैटेलाइट. ठीक है. इसमें गोल्ड का प्लेटिंग लगा हुआ है. ओके, इट्स वेरी कॉस्टली. सो लेट मी शो यू हियर. हियर इज इंडिया. ठीक है. हियर इज यूएसए. दिस इज साउथ अमेरिका. ठीक है ना. सो साउथ अमेरिका में यू विल फाइंड दिस फ्रेंच गुयाना ना. सो इन फ्रेंच गुयाना देयर इज अ सिटी कॉल्ड एज कोरू, फ्रॉम वेयर दिस वाज लॉन्च्ड. ठीक है. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर इट. द चांसेस ऑफ क्वेश्चन बीइंग आस्क्ड फ्रॉम जेम्स वेब टेलीस्कोप इज हाई, पूछ सकते हैं बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस, सो डी इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। यू कैन सी इट, दिस इज द रॉकेट, है ना, इट इज बीइंग लॉन्च्ड, और ये उसकी फोटो है, देखो बगल में पानी भी है ना। सो यू कैन सी, देखो एक्चुअली इस तरह होता है, आई हैव टेकन फ्रॉम देयर ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट। सो इनसाइड द रॉकेट, यहाँ पे टॉप में देख रहे हो, ये रॉकेट के अंदर ये रखा हुआ है, सो इट विल कम आउट, सो ये ऐसा हो जाएगा फिर, है ना। सो वंस इट विल गो आउटसाइड द स्पेस, ऑल द थिंग्स विल कम आउट, है ना। आपको पता है द पार्ट्स गेट, यू कैन से द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स आर actually come out, and this is actually this one is actually the satellite, so it will go like this, ठीक है। so the satellite is generally, or the payload is generally on the top side of the rocket, ठीक है, रॉकेट के टॉप में होता है, फिर वो निकलता है बाहर, and then it becomes, this is James Webb Space Telescope, okay, you must be knowing it, yes. Okay, yes, now let's again ask a question on James Webb Telescope, because James Webb Telescope has been very much in the news, so you should be knowing it. Yes, आपको पता होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा टफर साइड में है, लेकिन तभी मैं इसलिए दे रहा हूं कि जेम्स वेब टेलीस्कोप न्यूज में था, उससे सवाल आ सकता है, they can ask questions from there. It was also in sample paper, yes Rekha, good, हाँ। Everyone please press the like button, सबको like button press कर दो, we are seeing 103 likes, 150 is watching, सबको like button press कर दो, everyone, yes. Anyone? देखो इसमें आंसर करने से ज्यादा लर्न करने का स्कोप है, ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू लर्न मोर रादर देन टू आंसर, ठीक है, यस, यस, वेरी गुड, आई टॉट इन द पेड क्लासेस आल्सो, आई गेस, हाँ, यस। So the right answer is D is the right answer. Admit card शायद आज कल में आ जाए जो भी, so we will inform you जब भी आएगा तो। So James Webb Telescope is stationed at Lagrange point L2. Yes, correct. James Webb, JWST means James Webb Space Telescope actually works on visible length and mid-infrared. Yes, that is correct. And before James Webb Telescope, it was Hubble Telescope. It used to work in visible and near infrared, ultraviolet and all, है ना? So all are correct. So the right answer is option D is the right answer to this question. Okay, yes. अब देख सकते हो, it is written on their Wikipedia page. I have told you it was launched on December last year on Ariane 5 rocket from Kourou, French Guiana. Written here, arrived at L2 Lagrange point this year in January, and it sent its first image in July. इस साल जुलाई में उसने अपना first image भी रिलीज किया, ठीक है। So in the last 1 year it has been very much in the news, so they can ask questions from there. अब देखो लाग्रांजे पॉइंट बच्चे पूछते हैं कि सर ये क्या है, where exactly it is Lagrange point where it will be stationed, तो मैं बस बता देता हूं, देखो this is sun, है ना, ये सन ही तो पता होगा ना, this is sun, this is earth, ठीक है। So L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, these are called as Lagrange point. I am not going in detail, I have explained the paid classes, but short में आप समझ लो, यहां पर आएगा वो। So this will be the location of James Webb Space Telescope, ठीक है। So sun और earth के back side में, so ठीक है, so on the back side of earth यहाँ पे L2 point है, so this is sun, ये वाला earth है, और यहाँ पे so L2, this will be at the position of L2, Lagrange point L2, James Webb Space Telescope location. Please remember it, they can ask this, so that is why you must be aware of it. Okay, yes. Now these are the beautiful photos. इस पर गोल्ड की प्लेटिंग लगी हुई, ठीक है, so to absorb lights and all, ठीक है। तो इसको आप थोड़ा सा जाओ तो पढ़ सकते हो, इसका अपर्चर में क्या बेनिफिट है and all, what are the benefits of it. Yes, this also I have taken from NASA's official website. So James Webb Telescope will be mostly working around infrared, है ना, उसके आसपास, visible and infrared के आसपास. And HST is the old one, Hubble Space Telescope. Hubble Space Telescope. It was working around ultraviolet and visible के आसपास वर्क कर रहा था, ठीक है। So ऐसे देख सकते हैं डायरेक्टली जेम्स वेब टेलीस्कोप जो इंफ्रारेड के आसपास वर्क करेगा, हबल टेलीस्कोप जो ओल्ड वन विजिबल और अल्ट्रावायलेट के आसपास, ठीक है। So they can ask this. Generally infrared would be considered as better than this, ठीक है, so इसको इससे बेटर माना गया है। So James Webb Space Telescope has been considered as better than Hubble Space Telescope. Okay, yes. So देखो क्यों इंफ्रारेड को बेटर माना गया है विजिबल या अल्ट्रावायलेट के कंपैरिजन में, here it is written. देखो यहाँ पे दिस इज अ फोटो, आई एम शोइंग यू, इफ यू सी इट केयरफुली, देखो, सो दिस इज फ्रॉम इंफ्रारेड एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम विजिबल, ठीक है। तो इसमें ज्यादा स्टार्स क्लियरली दिख रहे हैं कि नहीं, इट इज मोर क्लियर, यस, है ना, इफ यू आर सीइंग इट, है ना, दिस इज मोर क्लियर हेयर and this is because of infrared, working in infrared, ठीक है, instead of visible rays. तो ये ज्यादा clear, stars ज्यादा clear show कर रहा है, और more number of stars it is showing. Yes, so that is what this is the image released by the NASA. देखो उसी की वेबसाइट से निकाला हूँ, जेम्स वेब स्पेस टेलीस्कोप नासा, ठीक है. Yes, so you must be aware of it, ठीक है. Yes, now let's move on to the next one. This is the next question, and I hope you all can answer it. So this is not very tough question, and I expect you all to answer it. Sir, wait, let's selfie लेनी है. After the class is over, you can watch the recorded video, no problem. ठीक है? Okay. Okay. So this is also very much in the news. First privately built rocket. So this is the photo also, है ना? Majority are saying D, कुछ लोग E भी बता रहे. So those who are saying E, please explain why you are saying E. ज्यादातर लोग तो D बता रहे हैं, so they are saying all are correct. But some are saying E. कुछ लोग E भी बता रहे हैं. तो क्यों E बता रहे हैं? What's wrong with option C? Everything is right. देखो होता क्या है, लोग जो है दूसरे को कॉपी करते हैं. ये सबको D लिख रहे हैं तो चलो लिख दो. Piyush, can you please explain why you are saying father of space research? Yes, Vinayak Joshi, very good, fantastic. India's first privately built rocket is Vikram S, correct? It has been made by Skyroot Aerospace, correct? It is named after Vikram Sarabhai, who was the father of Indian nuclear program, sure? Indian space program. Okay, he worked in nuclear science also, but he is not considered as father of Indian nuclear program. He is considered as father of Indian space program. Yes. So you have to tell me that who was the father of Indian nuclear program then. So there are A and B is right and C is wrong statement because of this. Okay. So the right answer is E. Okay. So Vikram Sarabhai, yes, you can see it here. Vikram Sarabhai, he is a physicist, astronomer. He is internationally regarded as father of Indian space program. Okay. Yes. And he has worked in nuclear power and all, no doubt about it. But he is not considered as father of Indian nuclear program. So Indian nuclear program के father किसको कहते हैं? Who is that person? Yes, very good. Yes, Akhila Pujari has answered it. Anish Deshmukh. Yes, very good. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Yes. So इसमें आंसर E सही है. ये वाला तो आंसर गलत है. Homi Jahangir Bhabha. He is considered as father of Indian nuclear program. I hope you all are aware of it. And it is a very famous thing called as, have you heard about this? Bhabha Atomic Research Center. You must have heard about this in your school days. कहीं ना कहीं तो आपने पढ़ा होगा. बार्क के बारे में आपने पढ़ा होगा. Bhabha Atomic Research Center. So it is named after the same person. ठीक है? So he is the founding director of Atomic Energy Establishment, Trombay, which is now called as Bhabha Atomic Research Center. तो पहले इसको AEET कहते थे. अब हम लोग बार्क कहते हैं. ठीक है? हाँ, yes. दोनों हाँ गुड फ्रेंड यस अनीश देशमुख राइट हाँ सो दैट इज बार्क सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्रिस्टल क्लियर अबाउट फादर ऑफ स्पेस प्रोग्राम एंड न्यूक्लियर प्रोग्राम एंड ऑल. अच्छा एक और होमवर्क है गो एंड रीड समथिंग अबाउट स्काईरूट एरोस्पेस की इनके हेडक्वार्टर कौन है हु इज द चेयरमैन हु इज द प्रेसिडेंट गो एंड रीड इट ठीक है. दे मे आस्क अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम स्काईरूट एरोस्पेस बिकॉज इट वाज इन द न्यूज ठीक है. हाँ ट्रॉम्बे इज नियर टू बॉम्बे है ना हाँ महाराष्ट्र हाँ. ओके सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. DART mission. This I taught in the paid classes. DART mission in detail I have taught. Now I am asking questions from here. Everyone please press the like button. We are seeing 107 likes, 146 is watching. सबको like button press कर दो. DART mission जो है mission है किसका? बार्क ट्रॉम्बे में अनामिका महाराष्ट्र के में है ना हाँ बॉम्बे के पास यू कैन से नियर बॉम्बे का मुंबई नियर मुंबई हाँ. यस मेजॉरिटी आर सेइंग बी. अच्छा आप लोग सोच रहे नासा एंड ईएसए इज यूरोपियन स्पेस एजेंसी. कोई और बताओ यार. आई एम गेटिंग ओनली बी ऑप्शन. नहीं बट हियर द राइट आंसर इज सी नासा एंड एपीएल एक्चुअली ठीक है ना. सो यूरोपियन स्पेस एजेंसी के साथ इसरो के साथ तो नहीं किया. अगर इसरो के साथ किया होता तो आपको पता होता. नासा एंड रशिया रॉसकॉस्मोस इज रशिया स्पेस एजेंसी. ये भी थोड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा है ना हो यूएस हैज नॉट वेरी गुड रिलेशनशिप तो The right answer is NASA and APL. ठीक है? So APL is John Hopkins University's laboratory called as Applied Physics Laboratory, and NASA together have actually launched this. And operator में लिखा है ना, NASA and APL. So go and read about this DART mission. ये important है. So C is the right answer to this question. ठीक है? Yes, Ashish Sharma, you are right. हाँ. Anish Deshmukh. Okay. The next one is another question from DART. I have explained in our paid classes. So at least the paid class student should answer these questions. ये तो मैंने पढ़ाया है. Which of the following is correct about DART mission? DART mission के बारे में क्या सही है? Waiting for your answers. Yes. DART mission का full form पता होना चाहिए. What is DART mission? Who has launched it? When it was launched? These are the questions can be asked. It was recently in news. Actually, majority are saying right. Seema, Sakshi, Hanslata, Bhavesh, Siddharth, Arpit, you all are right. The right answer is all of the above is the right answer. A double asteroid redirection test is full form of DART. Yes, that is correct. Option B is the explanation of DART. It is aimed at testing a method of planetary defense against near Earth object. Yes, this is the definition. This is the reason why it was launched. यही इसका main मकसद है. ये aim कह सकते हो. The probe was launched in last year, and in September this year it intentionally crashed into Dimorphos. ठीक है, ये बात भी सही है. So go and read Dimorphos or Didymos क्या है. I have explained in the paid classes. I still remember. So yes, all three are actually correct. So the right answer is E is the right answer. DART mission से question आ सकता है, बहुत ज़्यादा संभावना है. So this is the image of double asteroid redirection test. Please go and read it. ठीक है, so E is the right answer to this question. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Which of the following is correct about Commonwealth Games 2022? Commonwealth Games के बारे में सही क्या है? Commonwealth Games happened recently, I think in July, August, है ना? July, August में न्यूज़ में था. People are saying D, A and C. Bhavesh Mishra is right. Only one correct answer I have got till now. Anyone else? Sport is just the beginning. Yes, Devadita's motto is sport is just the beginning. But yes, Lakshmi Gonapa is right. So the right answer to this question is only A is the right answer. Motto is wrong and not 36 members are participating. 72 are participating. Okay. So Birmingham Olympic Games, Commonwealth Games happened. I hope you are aware. The theme is sport is just the beginning. ठीक है, तो ये भी गलत हो गया. 36 nations were participating. No, 72 Commonwealth nations were participating. 36 तो नहीं है, 72 इसका डबल कर दो. ठीक है, so it's not 36, it's 72. ठीक है. So the right answer is A. Very few people actually answered it correctly. ठीक है, so A is the right answer. तो देखो Commonwealth Games न्यूज में था, तो इससे भी सवाल पूछे जाने की संभावना है. They can ask many questions associated with it. Now, this is a question for you. In which year the first Commonwealth Games happened? 1947, 1930, 91, 1901. पहला Commonwealth Games कब हुआ? So what is the right answer? देखो इस तरह क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं क्लैट में. This is Commonwealth Games news में, so they will ask how many countries playing, what is the motto, what is the mascot, when it was first played, in which place it was first played. Yes, majority are saying B. Preeti, Stuti, Shubham, Kasap, Gulreez Khan. Yes, the right answer is 1930. So अगर आप जाओगे विकिपीडिया के फर्स्ट लाइन पे लिखा हुआ है, the event was first played held in 1930 except in 1942 and 46 because of World War and all. ठीक है, so just have an idea about it. थोड़ा सा इसको जाके पढ़िए because questions can be asked from Commonwealth Games. Okay, There's a request, please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, download the BYJU'S exam prep app, join us on Telegram also. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. now I'll be meeting you with the next part, that is part 4. So please go and watch part 1 and 2 also if you have not watched it. And please press the like button, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.